Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to create an Gmail account. So first you have to type Gmail, or you can write gmail.com also. So I will write Gmail. Then here you will get an first link. Just click on this. Then they will show you something like this. If you already have Gmail account, you can just type it here, or if you don't have that, click on create an account. And there are two, to manage my business and for myself. So you have to click here, enter for name, like I put tech, then TK. Then after that you can put anything like tech. Maybe I put 1 3 2 4 5 6 7 8. I think there is space, yeah. So look, they always ask this sometime. So I just try 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So look, you can just type like that, or there's an available also. They show some options here. So I'll enter the password like hello 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. No, maybe this is also okay. After that, everything is done. Then you can just go on next. Then they must ask, please put wrong password. I'll enter my own password then. Anything like maybe your surname or anything. I'll enter mine. I've entered mine. Then you have to confirm. You have to retype that password. When you're done, then they will show you a phone number. So you have to enter your phone number. Wait. Then you can enter your number or email address or personal. Then your date of birth. You have to enter your date of birth. I enter mine. Then a gender. I'll say rather to not say gender means female. You're female, male. Then I just click on rather to not say. Then they will ask for your verification number. So you just need to keep phone with you. So I just click on send. Then you will get an SMS notification that you will get in, that you have to enter that same number where you will get on your phone. So I'll enter mine. Then you can verify. Then did it get moved from your phone number? That you can use anything like receive video call messages, make Google service including add more results. There are more options, but I am in. Let's click on that. Then there is terms of service, privacy, policy, asset, privacy, and terms. So if you want to read more, just click on more options. You can control combining data like for example, depending on your account setting. We show you ads based on information about your interests. So you can combine your own personal data and Google data. You can just I agree. Then it will take little bit of time because we need to verify everything with a phone number or your date of birth, your email ID, which you have made it. They will verify and then they will start. So you just need to wait for survival a few seconds. Now get started. And next video I'm going to show you that how to edit your Gmail page. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching. Bye bye.